In this video, we will cover part 2 of the assignments. We will also learn about topics in Google Classroom. So let's go to the classroom. I'm gonna go back to my biology 1 classroom. Here I'm gonna go to classwork and I'm gonna create an assignment. If you recall, last time we learned how to add an assignment from Google Drive. Today we're gonna do it differently. I'm gonna just say assignment 3 term 4, for example, and I'm gonna say please use the attached document to answer the questions. Okay, now I'm gonna come here to create, and I'm gonna create an assignment. So I can either choose Google Docs, Google Slides, Sheets, Drawing, and Forms, whatever I'd like to do. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose Google Docs. It's creating the assignment for me, and here I'm gonna ask the question: what is HTML list? Okay, close it. Then of course I assign it to my students by going here, make a copy for each student. Remember from the last video, I click that, then I assign it to my students. Let me close this. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna cover in this video is topics. So I'm gonna come here. When you scroll to the bottom, you see this here, topic. So what are topics? The way I think of topics, I think of them as if they were labels in Gmail. If you use labels in Gmail, topics are the same way. Basically, the topic is a way to organize your work, your materials. That's all it is. So when you create a topic, it will appear on the left hand side of the page here. So for instance, each classroom is different. For instance, I'm teaching computer science, and the topic we're going to cover for these 3 weeks is going to be HTML table. So I'm going to say HTML table. So, and I'm going to add a topic, and that is my topic. Now, to create an assignment and attach it to this topic, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna create an assignment, and let's say here HTML tables. I'm gonna give my students the instructions, answer the questions, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna choose from my Google Drive the assignment. Let me find the assignment. I believe it was on 9th grade. Just choose anything. Okay, and I'm gonna click that. Now, once it's there, and once I come here and make sure each student has his or her own copy, I need to come here where it says topic and choose a topic. So my topic was what? HTML table. I'm gonna click that. Then of course if I want to schedule it, and I gotta do all this here, let me schedule it so we do everything correct. Set a time. Let's just say they're gonna do it at home, so I'm gonna keep it 11:59 p.m., which is fine. All students are selected, and I'm gonna assign it. It will be assigned to the HTML table right here, HTML table. Now if I want to move this up, here. Let me delete all these drafted, which I did not use. I'm gonna delete them. Delete. Okay, so I can drag it down and I can move it up here. Another thing I like to do in my topics is as follow. I like to go to Emojipedia. Yeah. And since I'm doing something related to computers, I'm just gonna type here computers, laptops for example. I'm gonna copy this emoji. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go to my topic and I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna come here, paste and put a little space and press rename, and there it is. So you can be very creative with your topics. Now let's assume you created an assignment and let's call it classwork. Just let's call it classwork. All right, I put the instructions here. Then of course I add the materials and everything. Then I click assign. What's going to happen? It's going to come right here, and it's not related to anything. So if I want it to be part of the HTML table topic, what I do, I come here, click edit. Then here I'm going to say HTML table, save. And now if you pay attention here, the classwork is part of the HTML table topic. I can also drag it and bring it up. Let's see, bring this one down here, and now it's at the top. And with this we come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.